Looking for a compact blender that can make smoothies, shakes, sauces, and more without taking up your entire kitchen counter? Today we're reviewing the Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. One of Amazon's best-selling countertop blenders with over 100,000 customer reviews. Let's see if this budget-friendly blender deserves a spot in your kitchen. Magic Bullet 11-piece set blender and food processor for kitchen with over 40 million bullets sold. Make it fast by keeping it simple. Does any job in 10 seconds or less. High-speed blender and mixer. 10-second recipe book included. Like your personal kitchen food processor and blender assistant. Do it all with high-speed blender and mixer system. Chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince. Handy, versatile, and easy to use, the Magic Bullet Blender and food processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the Magic Bullet Blender and food processor chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soups super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The secret to the Magic Bullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape. These features work together to quickly and forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, allowing the Magic Bullet to do virtually any food prep task in seconds. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use blender for everyday smoothies, shakes, sauces, and quick meal prep, the Magic Bullet Blender remains one of the best budget options available. Its compact size, simple operation, and proven reliability make it an excellent choice for students, busy professionals, and small households. Would you buy the Magic Bullet Blender? Let us check in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.